Care maintenance. Before cleaning, always make sure that the appliance is switched off, unplugged, and has cooled down completely. To clean the sole plate, it is suggested to use a damp cloth. To clean the soft material on the handle and the high glossy surface, use a damp cloth only. Never use chemicals, vinegar, or scouring pads. When this icon is flashing, it is time to descale your appliance. Switch off and unplug the appliance. Wait until the appliance has cooled down, minimum 2.5 hours. Lock the iron into place on the base unit and carry your appliance to the sink. Empty the water tank. Place the appliance on the edge of the sink and open the transparent cover. Turn the closure anti-clockwise to open it. Let the water flow into the sink. Turn the appliance slightly in an inclined position to empty the boiler completely. When no more water comes out of the appliance, screw the closure to close the boiler and close the transparent cover. After having finished the descaling procedure, plug in and switch on. Press the Calc Clean System button for 2 seconds to